everyone. Welcome to Growing Chefs at Home. Today we have a really special lesson. Chef Ben is back to show us how to make a really tasty stir fry. If you'd like, you can get a pencil and a piece of paper so you can write out the recipe for stir fry as we go through the video. And then later, if you'd like, with the help of an adult, you could try to make a stir fry at home. So let's get going and join Chef Ben in his kitchen.
Hello everybody, I'm Chef Ben Mattman from the Vancouver Marriott Hotel. I'm your growing chef for today and we're cooking at home and we're going to do a stir fry of vegetables. So I've got a bunch of vegetables here from the fridge. We've got some onions and garlic. That's going to provide the base flavor for the stir fry. We've got some carrots and celery. That's going to give it a lot of crunch. We've also got some like cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, some mushrooms, some baby bok choy, green onions. Really, you can add whatever fresh vegetables you have or what you like to eat and make it your own. So the first thing you want to do for a stir fry is you want to do all the mise en place. Now, mise en place, that's a French culinary term, and it means to prepare. So we've got all the vegetables here, and I've done all the mise en place. I've prepared all the vegetables. We've washed them, we've cut them up into smaller pieces. Because the stir fry is going to go very quickly, you want to cut your vegetables up nice and small. Now, one of the most important things on the stir fry is that you have a hot wok. So I've got the wok heating up here on the stove. I'm just going to turn it up a little bit, give it a little more heat. Now, as you can see, our wok's heating up and I can feel the heat coming off it. So I'm going to start with a little bit of vegetable oil. So I'm going to add a little vegetable oil to the wok and warm up that vegetable oil. A little more heat on the wok. And we're going to start off with the onions and garlic. The onions and garlic, as I said, provide the base flavor for the stir fry. I'm going to crank the heat up to full and you can hear the wok starting to talk to you. Can you hear that sizzle? So that means you got a nice hot wok, which is what you're looking for. So you start out with the onions and garlic, add them to the oil, nice hot wok. And then I also like to, at this point, add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. So as you can see here, the onions are starting to cook. So we're just going to give them a little stir and fry, stir fry. Next we're going to add some cabbage. I like to char up the cabbage with the onions and the garlic. We want to actually give it a little bit of color. As I mentioned, adding the vegetables one by one, stirring and frying them to layer the flavors. Next, we're going to add the crunchy vegetables. Got some celery and carrots, all cut up nice and small. I'm going to add those to the stir fry. Now the next two ingredients we're going to add are cauliflower and broccoli. And these are going to take a little bit longer to cook. To speed it up, we're going to add a little water and steam it. So you add your cauliflower, broccoli. So next, we're going to add a little bit of water. We want to get our lid ready here. So when we add the water, we're going to steam the vegetables. So we're just going to give that 30 seconds. Give the vegetables a little bit of steam, help cook them. So now you've allowed the vegetables to steam a little bit. We're going to take the lid off and finish the stir fry. So now at this point, I like to add a little bit of sesame oil. You're going to get a drizzle of this sesame oil. It's going to add just another layer of flavor. Mushrooms. And the baby bok choy. I'm going to put the lid on again for just another 15 seconds, just to wilt those last little bits of fresh vegetables. Bok choy, the mushrooms, all the flavors will be coming together. Give it another stir. Oops, we lost one off the back. We are finished with some green onions. Finish up the stir fry. As you can see, the stir fry, a very quick dish to prepare. It's a great accompaniment to your dinner. Nice and healthy, lots of vitamins in the vegetables, lots of nutrients. Take a little here, dish it up. There you have it. Stir-fried vegetables. See you all next time.